All right, so today we're going to be doing things a little differently. I'm going to do a little vlog style um, on my way to this home in Maple Grove to do a video tour. So got some new equipment. I'm shooting this right now on my gimbal, and we're going to see how it goes. So I'm going to take you guys with me and see how this works. I will never understand why I continue to do this to myself. Just go get gas the other night. Today is a special day because I'm doing my very first one, and it's a house in Plymouth, listed by my good friend Brandon Doyle with the Doyle Real Estate team at Remax Results. And this house is really nice. It is huge. It's a $1.3 million house built by Hanson Builders. So personally, my favorite builder. You know, they use the best finishes in my opinion with my style. But yeah, this is gonna be a fun day. Excited to get out here and start it up. So see you guys when I get there. All right, so we're here at the house, and I just got done shooting the outside, so now I've moved on to the interior, and this house is super nice. I wish I could afford it, maybe one day. But yeah, let's start doing the interior. All right, so I'm still shooting. I'm upstairs now shooting the bedrooms. I did the main level already, so the living room, kitchen, and all that. Probably been here for about an hour now. Still got the entire basement to shoot, and I'm about to do the master bedroom right now. So I'm excited to give you guys the finished product, but again, just a little behind the scenes. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. All right. All right, so I just got done, which is actually perfect timing because my battery's about to die any second now, and I have a meeting at 11 o'clock, which is in approximately 20 minutes. So get the heck out of here. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product, hopefully sometime today, so stay tuned.